Hello, this is New England Industrial Machinery, and we're doing a video demonstration of a Rockwell Model 20 vertical bandsaw, 20-inch vertical bandsaw, 24 by 24-inch tilting table, 20-inch throat, 12-inch cut height. It has a welder and grinder. We couldn't operate it for some reason. Needs to be looked into electronically. So we're selling it as is, the way it is. The variable speed dial does not work. It has a nice work light, and it also has brand new rubbers for the blade. Track's nice, runs beautiful, good adjustment. Looks like it's a 12-foot, 6-inch blade length. And it's missing the centerpiece for the blade. Show you the tilt under here. New rubber on this side too. This is the variable speed foot pedal. You press on it forward or backwards and it speeds up or slows down. This is the motor compartment, 2 horsepower motor. Operates on 230 460 volt. Currently running on 460, sorry. Model number is 28-3X5, serial number 1716469 or 5459. So to speed it up or slow it down, you step on the pedal. Or the other way. Probably needs a new blade and adjusted properly, but that's basically the machine.